In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to download and install the Deepseek on your Android device. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Now tap on the search bar at here and go to search apps and type Deepseek. Search for it. You can see it right here. Click on install. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Now once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the Deepseek AI assistant. You can find it on your home screen once you go on your home screen. As you can see, Deepseek is downloaded on your phone. Super simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.